What's up, guys? Before we start this video, I just want to apologize for my lack of posting in the past 2 months. I have not gone rogue. I've just been very busy with some stuff. But now that summer's really set in, I want to start trying to post more videos. So please stick around for a little bit. In probably the next few weeks, I'll probably post quite a bit of content, hopefully. So don't think I just pretty much gave up. And so today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going back down through some creeks, trying to catch, smallmouth, largemouth, rock bass, bluegill. It should be pretty good. I think I haven't really been down there. I filmed one video down there, and it was more at the beginning of the year, back in April, I believe, April or May. So it's probably set in a lot better. We're probably going to do a lot better than we did back then. So hopefully we do catch some fish. I'm sure we will, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Oh, got one. Oh, what is it? What is this? Oh, it's a tiny bluegill. First catch of the day. It's just whoa. You guys can see actually how pretty this little bluegill is. It's just adorable. He had full intentions of eating this. Let him go back in the water. Got him. Oh, there we go. I still got him. Oh, it's a little smallmouth. First smallmouth of the day. It was just a nice little smallie. Very small, real cool fish. Gonna let him go. There we go. I know there's more sitting behind that rock. Wow, there's one chasing it for a minute. The persistency of these fish is crazy. He chased it all the way up to right there. It's crazy. It's honestly just crazy. I'm gonna try. I imagine there's a nice big bass sitting right up over there. This is a really clear river. This river normally isn't this clear. Now what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna throw it right over there and then drag it right across, because I have a feeling, oh, I got a hit. I don't know what happened to him, but I did get a hit. Oh, there he is. Oh, there he goes. He hit it at the last minute. Wow, now we're catching a little rock bass. Look how small this little rock bass is. We've literally, off the first 3 fish, we've caught all different species. Right here, we have a little calico bass. Pretty adorable. Kind of just micro fishing right now. Hopefully later we'll be able to get to some bigger fish. But I mean, I'm always okay with the little guys. Whoa, okay. There were two there. One hit it, called it quits. The other one came by. See if he could get a chomp at it. Oh man, they try to go till the last second to get a hit off these. Pretty much until they see me. Oh, something had it. Oh, there we go. I still got him. A little bit bigger of a bass. Oh my God! This is just a huge creek chub. This is just a huge shiner. Holy crap! No, I lost him. If you guys gonna see that, sorry, they're just so hard to hold on to. That was just a huge creek shiner. Like, just ginormous. I was wondering why it just felt like a reeling in a log. There we go. Oh, guy jumped up out of the water. Oh, wow, this is another largie, man. So this is... See, I would have never guessed that this river would have been filled with largemouth. In my own opinion, this definitely seemed like more of a smallmouth kind of river. But yeah, our second largemouth of the day. Not too bad. Okay, so let's just get a release on this guy. And he's out of here. Not too bad either. Kind of weird. I get hit almost like every cast, it seems like. Like, not every cast I catch something. It seems like every cast I get hit by something. See, I was getting trailed right there. Okay, here we go. Not too bad. What's this? This looks like a rock bass. Smallmouth? Yeah, smallmouth. Man. Barely had him hooked too. Yep, here's our little smallie. Get a release on him. Oh wow. He was not too happy about that. Okay, so this looks really good. There has to be something big hiding back down in here. Oh, this looks very neat right in here with this rooted wall. I'm just gonna come stomping through here. Oh, I got one. Biggest fish. Oh, I lost him. It was a tiny bass. I'm trying to get a few more casts in. Yeah, I'm gonna cast 3 more times. 1. Nothing. 2. Last one. and then I'll give it a bonus cast. And then, you know what, I'm gonna give it a double bonus cast. And it looks like I will be walking back now. Unfortunately, that is how far we've gotten on this river. Next video, or in a few videos, I'll probably pick up from this spot. I'll just start here and continue downwards. But yeah, we've gotten pretty far. This river is so much more lower than the first time I came on it. The first time I came on it, it was a lot higher. You couldn't walk through it like this. Like right now, I'm just in some muck boots, and there would be no way you could walk through this like this. You know, just strolling along. And since it seems to be eventually getting ready to storm, I'll kind of throw a few casts on my way back. See if I can get any last few bass, because I really don't want to. Really just want to end this video on a fish. Okay guys, so I'm back here. Earlier I was using that bigger white maps. Right now I'm just using this little yellow one since it hasn't started storming yet. But the thunder is coming, and so will the lightning. I'm gonna just try to cast a few more times, just see if I can end this video with a fish. There's no doubt in my mind we'll be able to, or that we won't be able to. Oh yeah, got one. Literally right off the bat, and I think it's a little largy too. Yep. Oh god, man, he's really pulling. Man, he's still running. That low smallmouth. Ow, bro, chill, my guy. Okay, so we ended the video on a little smallmouth. Not too bad. Probably cast a few more times before we leave. You can see it has some little bit of bite marks. There you go, bud. There you go, buddy. Little smallmouth.